Brought to you by Calgary RV Rental is a beautiful truck camper. The vehicle provided is a diesel Ford F350, top of the line, with mud and snow tires. The interior is full leather with plenty of room for child seats in the back. Seats 5 adults comfortably. This particular vehicle only has 30 kilometers on it, so it's brand new. You enter the living quarters in the back. When you arrive to pick up the vehicle, the convenience package is already set up with cookware in the doors, tools, pots and pans, toaster, teapot, coffee maker, mugs. Everything is ready for your convenience. This particular model also has a bunk bed that comes down electronically, so it will be very comfortable for a family of 4. The top bunk bed has a safety net to prevent falling injury. Cleaning supplies are already included and is placed inside the bathroom. This particular model has a queen bed. All the bedding, linen are ready. It also has a good size closet for clothing and additional storage, as well as a good sized nook for your personal items. The fridge has a freezer, which is already pre-cooled for your arrival, so you can put your groceries in there right away. Has a gas stove with electronic switch. And an oven. This is a great vehicle for a family of 4 for your trip to the Rocky Mountains. Happy camping.